Factor completely. We need to be able to factor the following trinomial because it's 1, 2, 3 terms, and I need to factor out first the common factor. Can I factor out a common factor? Is there a number that divides 2, 6, and 20? Yes, I can factor out a 2. What's left behind? K squared plus 3k, and 2 multiplied by 1 gives me a negative 20, will be a negative 10. From here I'm going to factor what's left. Factors of k squared will be k and k. Factors of 10, I can use 10 and 1 or 5 and 2. And look at your answers. That will kind of guide you to what to use. I'm going to use 5 and 2. And this is a negative 10, so therefore one of them should be positive, the other one should be negative. I need to end up with a positive 3 once I multiply it out. So therefore I'm going to use that as a positive and that's a negative. That gives me a negative 2k. This gives me a positive 5k. Together gives me a positive 3k, and that matches. My 2 comes down. So this is my complete factor form. So let's see, we have a 2, so that's not it. And then we have a k plus 5 is over here, and that k minus 2, it's over here. So it'll be letter A. Just be careful with your signs. Now there's a few of you guys that are doing slightly different. Some of you guys are forgetting to take out a common factor and then you just factor it out and say, factors of 2k squared will be 2k and k. Factors of 20, I'm going to use 4 and 5. That gives me 10 and 4. I'm going to make that a positive, that's a negative. And say, no, it works because whenever you multiply it out, it gives you a positive 10k and negative 4k, which gives you a positive 6k, and that matches your middle term. But you need to realize that you can still factor out a 2 from here. So you can still factor a 2, and then what's left? K minus 2. 2 times k is 2k, 2 times negative 2 is negative 4, and my k plus 5 comes down. So yes, you do get the same answer, but you have to realize that you can still factor out a 2. But ideally, this will be the correct way of factoring, or the more appropriate way.